Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A7 headliner. First, gather your essential tools, including Torx drivers, various pry tools, and a 17mm socket. For safety, always disconnect your car's battery before starting any electrical work. Next, clear the interior of your Audi A7, removing floor mats and any loose items to create ample workspace. This preparation ensures a smoother and safer removal process. Now let's tackle the front section. Begin by carefully removing the sun visors. You'll find a Phillips head screw under a small cap, and remember to disconnect any electrical wires. Next, unfasten all grab handles, typically secured with Torx T25 bolts hidden under their pivot caps. Finally, gently pry off the A-pillar and B-pillar trims, working from the top down to release their clips. Moving to the rear and center, carefully remove the C-pillar and rear pillar covers, often held by clips that require quick, firm pulls. Next, detach the dome light assembly and any sunroof controls, as these often have hidden screws or clips. Finally, release the headliner from its rear anchor points, which may involve pulling down on the back portion to disengage 4 clips. With all attachments released, carefully lower the headliner from the roof, ensuring no wires are still connected. The most common method for extraction is to maneuver the headliner out through the trunk, which may require reclining the front seats. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the roof and surrounding areas for any remaining clips, screws, or debris, preparing for reinstallation or further work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.